Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about how to make money on Binance spot trading. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. For the first step, you'll need to create a Binance account. You'll have to go to the Binance website, which is www.binance.com. Click on Register to create a new account. You'll have to provide the required information, including the email address that you want to use, as well as the password. Complete the email verification process to activate your account. For step 2, you'll need to secure your account. You'll have to enable the two-factor authentication for added security. So for this, you'll have to go to your account settings and select security. Follow the instructions to enable 2FA using either Google Authenticator or SMS authentication. For step 3, you'll have to deposit the funds. For this, you'll just need to log into your Binance account using the email and password that you've used. Click on Wallet and select Spot Wallet. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and click on Deposit. Generate a deposit address or scan the provided QR code. Transfer funds from your external wallet to the Binance deposit address. For step 4, you'll have to understand basic trading concepts. You'll need to familiarize yourself with basic trading terms such as market orders, limit orders, bidder-ask prices, and candlestick charts. You'll need to learn about different types of orders as well and their functions, including stop limit orders and take profit orders. Step 5. Analyze market trends. Use Binance trading interface to access various charts and indicators. You'll need to perform technical analysis by studying candlestick patterns, moving averages, and other indicators. Follow news and market trends to stay informed about potential price movements. Step 6. Place a trade. So you'll need to decide which cryptocurrency you want to trade. Go to Binance trading page and select the trading pair you want to trade. So choose whatever you want to place: a market order, instant buy or sell at the current market price, or a limit order, buy and sell at a specific price. Then you'll need to set the desired quantity and price for your trade. Review the details and click buy or sell to execute your trade. For step 7, manage your trades. Set stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risk. Monitor your open trades and market conditions. Consider using trailing stops to secure profits as the price moves in your favor. Learn to read the order book and track the buy or sell walls to gauge market sentiment. Step 8. Withdraw your profits. Once you made profits and want to withdraw, you can go to your spot wallet and select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw and click on withdraw. Enter your external wallet address and the amount that you want to withdraw. You'll need to review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. Remember, trading involves risk, and it's important to start with a small amount of money that you can afford to lose. Take the time to learn and practice before committing significant funds. Additionally, consider seeking advice from financial professionals or experienced traders to further enhance your knowledge and skills. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye for now.